So I've opted for Crummock Water, and there's my camping location. Just walking around the lake, which you'll just see over here. I did have a crack at doing a pano before, so there's some nice clouds on the hilltops. Well, one problem with my tripod is once you put it into the portrait mode, I can't work out how to level it out. This isn't quite working. Tried just a normal landscape shot, and it wasn't really anything fancy, so you may or may not see a photo, but probably not. So yeah, it's sunset's about 2 hours away. It's pretty cloudy now, so I'm not really holding up much hope for a nice sunset shot, but that's right. So, keep walking around the lake, stop off and top up my water supplies, and try my new straw filter out, and then I think I'll take a trip into he's behind me and find a nice little camping spot for the night. Getting a bit hungry, and then all being well in the morning I can head up to the very top and get a sunrise shot, all being well. Had a bit of a water to walk through before, so tested the waterproof out in my shoes, and I have to admit I'm impressed. Only got a little bit wet when it got to above the laces, so good walking shoes, good work. Right, so carrying on, it's about 1 kilometre to where I'll stop and water up and then keep going. So although it's waterproof shoes, not when you go that deep, just down there. Good job I brought wet wipes. So it's time to try the soil water filter. Plain water, filter, mouth. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. That's good, that's really good. Yeah, that's really, really good. Nice place to have a coffee. Right, this is me set for the night. I'm glad I got the 2-man, because with this bag I think I'd be a bit squashed on a 1-man. And I've also learned to make sure you don't sleep on a slope with your head going down. But it's fine, I've had a bit of whiskey, it'll knock me right out. So I'll see you in the morning, hopefully for some form of sunrise. So it's 5:30 in the morning. Alarm's just gone off. Slept okay, I think I slept better than I thought I did. It's just broken sleep all night. It was very windy, and being on a slope meant I had to sleep the other way in the tent. I think just getting used to it really. Just trying to get myself comfy, find the right position and things. Well, I'm not holding up much hope for when I open up this, but it's fine. Hopefully I'll be alright to make a coffee and we'll go from there. Right. So campsite is all gone. That was quicker to pack up than I first thought it was going to be. That's the bit I was dreading. It wasn't raining when I did it. Wind was gone. It's back up a little bit now. So I'm going to go back down to my little coffee spot where I stopped yesterday. Get some more water, have another coffee, a bit of breakfast. Sorry if it's very windy. The sun's 47 now, so the sun is up. See, it's the nicest of weather. Got some nice clouds up there. But yeah, so I think I'm going to pop down. Probably not going to get a photo, but let's have a coffee and just enjoy the morning. Come on! So I'm going to try and talk, but you probably can't hear me. So I was taking a nice photo before, setting up the camera, planning a nice time lapse. And I look away for 1 second, and then this came around. So I running around. So you can see I've lost my voice here. That's the problem with the iPhone and wind and rain. It doesn't go well together. All I'm doing here though is just praising my good cool, which is keeping me dry. £10-15 from Go Outdoors. Best purchase I made before the weekend. Kept all the wind out. Yeah, impressive. Very happy with it. Can't feel it. So yeah, this one of the best purchases. And yesterday when I was unpacking my bag at camp, I found out this bag has a secret little compartment which has one of those waterproof bags cover over it. So I'm glad I found that last night. However, it's currently come out. I should probably stop and put it back on, but right now just trying to get to the next bit, back to the car and dry. Oh, it's still on that side, so we should be alright. All my gear's inside, it's in its wet bag. So we should be alright, but yeah. I think some people would probably think this would ruin the trip, but if I'm honest, I expected this sort of weather at some point and I'm quite enjoying it. Making it all more fun. And sometimes that wind, oh, it's going right through you, pushes you right back. Yeah, gonna miss you on. You're not going to get any nice B-roll of me walking up to the camera and going back and getting it. This is the best you're going to get. Right, come on! Tell you what, as soon as it started, it's finished. Still obviously raining down there, but there's not a bit of wind around here. Oh, it's like it never happened. But trust me, it happened. Yeah, for the day then. As you see, a bit of blue sky over towards the car. There still could be photos to be had. Wet idiot's back. Trying to talk to a wet iPhone. I think I need to put a decent mic and wind shield on my shopping list for my next trip. All I'm talking about here though is I hadn't got a photo since getting to Crummock Water on the first day or when I woke up because the weather hadn't been great. Had tried a pano but it didn't quite work, so I found this sitting behind me. Nice clouds. It was quite atmospheric. It wasn't any light at the time, but after I got the camera set up, the light started to come over the fells on the left, and it was absolutely beautiful. Was going to hit black and white with it, but as soon as I got it into editing on Lightroom and Photoshop, the colour just came alive. So enjoy, and I hope you like the photo. Let's have another go. Why not? That's breakfast done. I was going to have porridge originally, but the sachets I got were milk and microwave. I obviously don't have milk or especially a microwave. So I had steak and veg. It's like a steak stew. I admit those oil in a bag package were good. The meatballs were good last night. That was good this morning. Wait to the wind. So yeah, now last mile to the car and then onwards. Back in my warm toasty car, heaters on, 27 degrees, blowing it on my feet, my face, everywhere I possibly can, so I'm getting nice and warm. Had my steak and veg casserole, which is really good, really good. So I've got warm food in my belly, I'm warming up my body. Didn't bring any spare clothes, as my mum will be there shouting at the screen, always bring a spare change of clothes. I should have brought some and left them in the car. Yes, mum, you were right. Yeah, so it's started to cloud back in again now. So I think I'm going to call that a day. I've got a 3.5 hour drive home, so do a drive, stop off at the service station, get myself a coffee, and just enjoy a nice slow journey back. I've really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it, and not as much photography as I'd hoped. That wasn't the only reason I came for the walking and the camping. We've got a couple of nice shots, especially of the Arrow Force waterfalls. There's some really good ones from there. And should be some good video with me being drenched, which I'm sure you would have seen by now. So yeah, so this is my journey back, and will be another one until we'll be coming along on this one. Yeah, off home I go.